Got my front end frame delivered. Thanks to the guy on eBay. No thanks to FedEx for throwing it in the neighbor's driveway over the fence. But yeah. Fix the bad one with a new one. Let's get started on this thing. It's gonna be fun. And there goes the wife, leaving another car. Alright. So, there's the damage. And there's really no fixing that. So, gotta pull this thing out of here. I'm gonna jack up both sides of the car. I'm probably gonna have to take the wheels off. The struts loose. I think I'm gonna have to pull it all as one assembly, the steering column. So I'm gonna loosen that bolt on the steering column, and then that'll pull out of there. Then once I get it out, I can take everything off, put it on the other one, roll it back under there. Check this side out. Probably could use a little 2x4 or something. Nope. 18mm. Long bolt. And this bolt. Okay, what else is tied in here? Oh, okay, it's a 13/16. Yep, frame's coming down. Alright, so this guy right here, 13/16, and then it's got a little keeper nut. That's for the little plastic piece. The holes right there. All right, that thing is hanging in the air by the suspension. Yeah, it's 18. All right, so 18 takes these two right here. Barely get to them. Two up there. Okay, and then yeah, let me speed up this process a little bit. Okay. This is free. Almost wish I wouldn't have undone that steering now. There we go. Sway bar, that back on there. There's these two big bolts right here behind the sway bar. There's one bolt back here on the back of the lower A-arm. And those are, all right, so it's 13/16. Some standard, some metric. All right, now we got that. Okay, that guy's actually gonna hold that up. Cool. Maybe we get the other side, or should I hit the back first? Yeah, I get the back. I'm gonna get the back. Same one, right? Please be the same one. Quit changing. Okay, it's I'm pretty sure it's 7/8. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it with this 7/8 and take that bad boy out of there. This cover's getting in my way. All right, here we go. Is that the right? No, it ain't right. Maybe it is. Jeez, I'm Pete. 13/16 don't want to fit. So why would this be 13/16? And this, well, yeah, I guess it's probably rounded. All right, got a burr on it. All right, what am I left with here? That's it, right? I mean, it's literally being held up by nothing, I'm pretty sure. All right, let me get some light out here. Essentially, I should be able to just kind of pull this guy out of here. All right, I got it off the arm, this arm. Come on, arm, get out of there. Push this way. Okay. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to get back in here, I'll tell you that. What's that dang sway arm? Alright. Got to fall down. Dog's freaking out over there. There we go. There we go. One of them's out. Pull that other one out. Get out of there. Ay, ay, ay. Let go. Give me my frame. Kidding me? I mean, look at it. Would you just look at it? Sitting right there. Sitting pretty and still connected. Okay, that's it. I got it out. Now we gotta take the sway bar off, which, other than some just scratches, looks fine. I mean, these little brackets got messed up, but I bent this one back straight. So, what is these? No, it's not 16, it's 15. Wait, where is 15? Just had it laying out here. Oh. Yeah, 15. Oh, hush, Bree. It's just a bird. Oh, no, it ain't. It's a duck. Oh. It's a damn duck. Go on, Daffy. We don't want none of you right now. All right. Hopefully there's two things on the other side too. All right. So I mean that wasn't so bad. I'm sure getting it out's easier than getting it back in, right? Getting nice and warm down here in Louisiana. Sweating. Skeeters are coming out. Before you know it, June bugs will be flying around. Alright, sway bar is off. Yee! And there is no wiring or anything on this thing. Duck, seriously, get the frack out of here. I'm kidding, man. Get out of here. Freaking nosy ass Daffy Duck. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna, we'll worry about this crap later. Need a new one anyway. Alright. Now to get this bad boy back in here. Yay. Be fun, yeah. Okay, well, it's in. That's it. It's installed.